Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M34. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, so you can change display mode between light and dark. And in dark mode settings you can schedule the dark mode. Next we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next we can change motion smoothness of the screen. Enable or disable eye comfort shield. Schedule it and adjust its temperature. Then we can change screen mode between vivid and natural and adjust white balance. Next we can change font size and style. We can adjust screen zoom. Enable full screen mode for apps. Hide notch in apps. Change screen timeout. Enable easy mode. Smart sidebar. Change navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures. Enable or disable accidental touch protection. Touch sensitivity. Show charging information, and in the end we can set screensaver. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.